this is the getting started portion of the video tutorials for Uknowpia. What we're trying to accomplish with this video today is to show you how easy it is to sign in and start interacting with our site. Sure, anyone can go to uknowpia.com, click on a list and read through it, but if you want to do anything further, you need to be signed in to do so. For example, if you're reading through a list and think it's great, but it's missing a couple of items, you're able to add to that list, but you need to be signed in first. Or if you like a particular item within a list, and you want to give it a positive rating so it gets bumped up the list, you can do that too, but you need to be signed in. You're also able to leave comments, or if you see a list doesn't even exist yet on Uknowpia and you want to add a brand new list, you can do all of these things, but you need to be signed in. So I want to show you right now how easy it is to sign into the site and start interacting with it. We have this green join button up at the top here. All you need to do is fill out a few fields and you're up and going. But we've also made it simpler for you by implementing Facebook Connect. So even if you've never created an account with us before, all you need to do is click Sign In, which is right here. This window is going to pop up. You can type in your username and password if you've already set that up with us, or you can click on the Sign In using your Facebook account button, and you'll be brought to a Facebook page. Now don't freak out when you see this page. It says Uknowpia is requesting permission to do the following. It says that we want to be able to access your basic information. It says that we want to be able to send you emails to your email address, and that we want to be able to post to your wall. Let me assure you right now that we're not going to be abusing any of these things. We're not going to be posting crazy stuff to your wall. We're not going to be spamming your email, and we're definitely not going to be using your information in any way that we shouldn't be. So really this is all just a formality to be able to log into Uknowpia using your Facebook credentials. Again, we're not going to be doing any of these things that it says we're requesting permission to do, so all you need to do is just click Allow. Once you've done that, you're going to be bumped back to Uknowpia, and you're going to notice that where it said Sign In, it now says Log Out, which means you're now already logged in. And then you can go to My Profile and start changing some of the information that automatically gets plugged in once you sign in with Facebook. So for example, your username. If you've created a vanity URL with Facebook, that's going to be your username with Uknowpia. Or if you haven't created a vanity URL with Facebook, your username for Uknowpia is going to be a string of numbers. So if you want to change that to something more unique, you can just go ahead, click on My Profile, and go ahead and start changing some of that information. You'll also be able to edit your email, your profile picture, and other settings by simply going into your My Profile page. But if you're good with all of that, you're now signed in, and you can begin to fully experience what Uknowpia has to offer.